In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to combo with Viking in Project Smash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you acquire the Viking for $6,000 in Project Smash, you will be able to explore the combo that I'm going to show you in this video. The Viking has 4 moves: Twin Rampage, a dual attack, Great Siege, which is a big attack around you. You have Earth Shatter, which is an attack where you shove down on the ground and you will do a big explosion, and finally Skull Crusher, where you will be able to target enemies with overwhelming force. Now, you will be able to do a very basic combo. For the Viking combo that I want to share in this video, all that you have to do is do 3 M1s into your Twin Rampage, which is going to be your 1, followed by 3 M1s once again, followed by Skull Crusher, which is your 4, and then 3 M1s into Earth Shatter. So you just have to think of it like this. You do 3 M1s into an ability. So the order is going to be 3 M1s into 1, 3 M1s into 4, and then 3 M1s into 3. As you can see, the second ability, Great Siege, is not used in this combo, so if you find a way to incorporate it, be sure to do so and share it in the comments below, because it would be nice to use all of Viking's abilities. And this combo is going to be available on the unofficial Project Smash community wiki, where you will be able to find combos for every other job or class available in the game, but for Viking, this is the one that they have highlighted there and the one that I chose to showcase in this video. So you will be able to do 3 M1s into a 1, into 3 M1s into a 4, into 3 M1s into a 3, and this is a very basic combo to learn. As you can see, it is essentially only 6 inputs without counting the individual M1s, and you will be able to do it as the Viking after you acquire him. I hope I was able to help you on how to combo with Viking in Project Smash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.